which is the reason why we're in the mess.
What is he talking about? For 67 years, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, ONGC, Indian Oil. What do you think these were for? These were to look for oil reserves. And you're talking that there was nothing. You're selling off everything that was built in 67 years. Mr. BJP spokesperson, I don't think you understand what is happening. Because Nirmala Sitharaman said, oil marketing companies are responsible. They will have to cut down or increase prices. Whereas the PM is blaming previous governments and you're following in his footsteps. Whereas all your other leaders are saying it is international prices, like you are saying right now. Mr. Subramaniam Swamy is questioning you on this. So what are you telling us at all? Because the base price is less than what the excise duty is. Let me tell you that in 2014, when your government came into power, the excise duty was 9 rupees 48 paisa. And you have increased it to 32 rupees 98 paisa per litre on petrol. It was 3 rupees 56 paisa per litre on diesel, which you have increased to 31 rupees 83
How do you
paisa.
respond? How do you respond to the logic, Sujata Paul, that there are all of these schemes now? There is no money going into the pockets of cronies. So to fund those schemes, this money needs to be had from somewhere.
So really, is that possible to do that? I mean, you came up with a package for COVID, and now you're saying that you're getting this money from the excise duty. What are we even talking about?
Manoj
19 lakh crore is the amount which was made from excise duty in the last 6.5 years. Padmaja, on 3rd March, the excise. Can I just finish?
Yes, please let the Samajwadi Party also come in. हाँ, बताइए.
गंगानगर में क्यों 100 रुपए हुआ था, महाराष्ट्र में क्यों 95 रुपए हुआ है, ये बात तो आप लोग कहते नहीं है. देखिए, फिस्कल फेडरलिज्म है इस देश में. फिस्कल फेडरलिज्म में कुछ पार्ट स्टेट के पास जाता है, कुछ सेंटर के पास जाता है. जो सेंटर के पास जाता है वो कल्याणकारी योजना में जाते हैं. पहले तो कांग्रेस की सरकार में दामाद के खाते में जाता था, मैं वो तो नहीं बोल रहा हूं यहां पे, लेकिन अभी जितनी कल्याणकारी योजनाएं पिछले सालों में हुई है वो सीधे अंत्योदय, जो हम लोग कहते हैं पंक्ति में खड़े अंतिम व्यक्ति का कल्याण. इतने बड़े स्केल पे कोई पैंडेमिक देखा था क्या आपने? 80 करोड़ लोगों तक राशन पहुंचाने का काम किया. लगभग 116 जिलों में जहां प्रवासी श्रमिक लौटे थे उनको रोजगार देने का काम किया है. इसीलिए लोगों को बरगलाइए मत, लोगों को भ्रमित मत करिए. जहां तक पेट्रोल का विषय है, जहां तक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है, वहां भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की भी जिम्मेवारी है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपनी जिम्मेवारी से भाग नहीं सकती है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपनी जिम्मेवारी से भाग नहीं सकती है.
आप सेड कि असम में घटाए गए हैं, बट असम में क्यों घटाए गए हैं? आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर एज डे.
सरकार मान गई, हमारी मांगे पूरी हो चाहे जो मजबूरी हो. इससे आगे बढ़ो भैया, इससे आगे बढ़ो.
Sujata Paul, since you support the Congress, frankly, these people are going around making these speeches in Punjab, inciting people to violence. Shouldn't the Punjab police be taking action? Do you know, yesterday, Captain Amrinder Singh, in his interview, he said that for so long, farmers kept sitting on the railway tracks, but I didn't take any action against them because I thought it would become bigger. Had this kind of lawlessness been nipped in the bud, things won't have gotten so bad. I mean, literally allowing anarchy has been turned into some kind of virtue.
No, this is the government which is creating this anarchy. Do you know that in Muzaffarnagar, what happened yesterday and today? Sanjeev Balyan, who's a minister, he went to a village and today he took policemen with him who beat up people over there. So let's not get there. As far as
Madam, there are people here on camera who are saying when the police comes, you gherao them. When the police comes, you burn the notice. Policemen are being beaten at so-called protest sites. If this is not anarchy, who is going to rein it in? If anything, these are people who are supposed to be arrested. The state police should be cooperating with the Delhi police instead of sitting on their hands.
Can we trust Delhi police now? Look at what Delhi police has been doing all along. Deep Sidhu was arrested 15 days later.
So who will you trust?
When they are going to these villages,
who will you trust?
Let me tell you, they are going to the villages and people are scared. They are not being able to trust them at all because there are people who are going in plain clothes. There are some people who are not carrying any badges. So they don't have any
so Guru Prakash, now people are scared. So they are being told to ignore the Delhi police because they are scared. They don't trust the Delhi police anymore. Guru Prakash.
Delhi police doesn't come under our, no?
मैडम देखिए, पहले तो आप फैक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट बातें कर रही हैं। संजीव बालियान जी अभी मंत्री नहीं हैं, सांसद हैं, पूर्व में मंत्री रहे थे, तो जरा फैक्ट चेक करके बोलना चाहिए राष्ट्रीय टेलीविजन पे। दूसरी बात, लगातार जिस प्रकार के भड़काऊ भाषण दिए जा रहे हैं, नहीं अरे भैया बात सुनिए, अब यही तो समस्या है आप लोगों की, बात सुनते नहीं है। कल तक जो खाप पंचायत बोरे थे, रिग्रेसिव थे, वो आज प्रोग्रेसिव हो गए हैं, फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग हो गए हैं। कल तक यही खाप पंचायत थे जिसका आप ही लोग विरोध करते थे ना कि भाई ये ऑनर किलिंग हो रहा है, आज वही खाप पंचायत आपकी नजरों में अच्छे हो गए। मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है राजनीति के लिए किस हद तक गिरना है। मैंने लिसन टू मी मैम लिसन टू मी, यू डोंट हैव द पेशेंस टू लिसन टू मी भैया। देयर इज नो लीडरशिप, देयर इज नो इशू, एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट द दिल्ली पुलिस टू go after all those who has attacked the republic, who has attacked the soul of the constitution of the country. Who is responsible for that? I am not here to indulge in a shouting match with someone like you. I am not here to indulge in a shouting match with someone like you. I care for the Constitution of India. I care for the legacy of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. I care for the fundamental rights. So you don't have any locus standi to speak on that. Who are you to speak on behalf of them? Who are you to speak on behalf of them, madam? Madam, who are you to speak on behalf of them?
इस तरह की